Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emma.
Emma had a stable job, a quiet life, and a comfortable routine. But deep inside, she dreamed of something more.
She wanted to start her own business, a small cafe where people could enjoy great coffee and a friendly atmosphere. Emma knew that opening a cafe was not easy. It required money, hard work, and a lot of uncertainty. But she also knew that if she never took the chance, she might regret it forever.
After thinking for many months, Emma decided to take a risk.
She quit her job, saved her money, and found a small space in her neighborhood to turn into her dream cafe. At first, things were very difficult. The rent was high and the cafe needed many repairs. Emma worked long hours, sometimes from early morning until late at night. She faced many challenges. Some days no customers came. Some days she worried if she would have enough money to pay the bills. But Emma did not give up. She believed in her vision and worked hard to make her cafe a welcoming place. She learned how to make the best coffee, designed a cozy space, and talked to every customer with kindness and care. Slowly, word spread. People began to visit Emma's cafe regularly. They loved the warm atmosphere and the delicious coffee. The cafe became a small success. Emma's risk started to pay off. After a year, Emma's cafe grew bigger. She hired a few employees and even started selling homemade pastries. The business was not only surviving, but it was thriving. Emma was proud that she had taken the risk to follow her dream. This story shows that taking risks is not always easy or comfortable. But sometimes the biggest rewards come from stepping outside your comfort zone. When you believe in something and work hard, you can overcome challenges and achieve great things. Taking risks means accepting uncertainty and possible failure. But it also means opening the door to new opportunities and success. Emma's journey teaches us to trust ourselves, be brave, and never stop chasing our dreams.